What's going on, guys? My name is RoyTheBoy. Today, if you don't know, John has the same car as me, an RSX Type S, but recently he just got the reflash for his car. So as of right now, we are both bolt-ons. I have a Injen cold air intake, PLM header, and Invidia N1 exhaust, and he has a cold air intake, Skunk 2 alpha header, and the Greddy TIC. Our cars are a perfect match normally, but since he recently just got the tune, I've been wondering if his car is any faster than mine and if it's worth it or not with the full bolt-on setup to actually go for the tune. When I drove his car, it felt faster, so I'm going to go ahead and assume his car is faster. My car is obviously much more modified, so it looks like it should be faster, but his is the one that's got all the power because it's, well, not all the power. His is the one that's going to be faster because it's got the tune. So we're going to do a quick comparison here. Hopefully do just a quick little couple runs. We'll see whose car is going to be faster. This is how my car sits as of right now. Just got the PF01 EVOs on there with the Federal SS 595s. Got a nice little carbon hood. Need to paint the bumper. But yeah, just a nice little wide body setup. Pretty happy with the car. So this is John's car. As you can see, this one looks stock. We just finished putting his BC coils, but honestly, this thing is, compared to my car, it looks like a sleeper.
So we're about to do this tuned versus untuned RSX Type S video.
I want you on the right side. All right.
This is the other car.
Are you just up front?
Damn, fool. Yeah, let these cars go first. Yeah. All right, back in action. Does your camera have a low light? Fellas,
that was literally a cop.
How do you feel about the results of the race?
The cop, dude.
Oh yeah, how do you feel about the cop?
Yeah, no, I really figured that he'd pull on me, and that's kind of what he did. It was just like a noticeable difference.
So,
I guess we're following John. Here we go.
Yeah, now we're about to go eat. Oh fuck! I wasn't recording.
What? Shut up. You can basically. What? Yeah. No, I mean, honestly, like, yeah, like, he just pulled on probably, like, I don't know, he had a lot more torque in the beginning, so I saw him take off.
Yeah.
And he did get the honk, though, but well, I really expected to lose. The cop! You're the cop! The cop! That was scary.
You almost got wrecked! I didn't even see him!
Let me see.
I didn't see him at all, I wasn't even paying attention.
Damn, dude. Why do you have it?
Huh? You smacked you?
John, you smacked me?
Yeah, I did. You smacked me.
You floored it?
Yeah, you really smacked me.
Damn!
This kid's slow.
No, yeah.
No, I was like, is that John? And it was like, and then Roy, like, I was like, what?
No,
when the car started to come out.
And it was like this. So I was like...
Honestly, yeah, no, you floored it, and right, like a half a millisecond after, I floored it. And then,
damn,
yeah.
Son. Oh, right here,
yeah, guys,
John?
that was actually a really big difference.
Right
like, I was surprised how much of a difference it makes. But yeah, honestly, like, I really expected that. I'm probably gonna buy the tune now that I've seen the result. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like down below. Leave a comment telling me what I should do next. And as always, I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.
I was like, Justin, go, hurry up!
It won't go to red line. It goes to 5.5.
Oh, that's where it sits?
Really? Yeah.
Don't release the... I won't.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's like
yeah. All right, good. Go. Do it. Oh, that hits you in your chest.
Pull.
Damn, I didn't know it was that loud.
Your car?
That's loud. That's loud. No, no, no. No more. Damn, that's loud. I didn't know it was that loud.
Fight.